Hello students, in this video I shall clear the concept of the properties of division of rational number. There are 5 properties in division of rational number. Step wise, one by one I shall make you understand. First property is closure property. Okay, in this property you have to know that the quotient of any two rational numbers is a rational number. For example, here 1 by 2 is a rational number, 2 by 3 is also a rational number, and when we divide 1 by 2 by 2 by 3, then quotient 3 by 4 will be also a rational number. Means when we divide a rational number by other rational number, then quotient will be, then result will be also a rational number. And now let's know second property, commutative property. In this property, the quotient of any two rational numbers and the quotient of the same two rational numbers in opposite order is not equal. For example, there are two rational numbers, p by q and r by s, and in opposite order in the right side you are seeing that there are also same rational numbers r by s and p by q. When we divide p by q by r by s, and if we divide r by s by p by q, in both conditions result will not be same. Result will be, quotient will be different. Okay, means when we divide p by q by r by s, or when we divide r by s by p by q, then result will not be same. Result will not be same. And now in third property, associative property. Okay, the quotient of any three rational numbers in whatever they are grouped is not equal. Here you are seeing that there are three rational numbers, p by q, r by s and t by u, and in right side there are also three same rational numbers, p by q, r by s and t by u, and in same order, same rational numbers and same order. And when we divide the quotient of p by q and r by s by t by u, or in second way, if we divide p by q by quotient of r by s and t by u, then in both conditions result will not be same, quotient will not be same. Okay, three properties I made you understand. And now, fourth property, property of identity element. Okay, property of identity element. In this property, you have to know that when we divide a rational number by 1, then the result will be rational number itself. Itself means when we divide a rational number by 1, then the result will be, result means quotient will be rational number itself. Here example, when we divide 2 by 3 by 1, then result will be 2 by 3. When we divide A by B by 1, then result will be A by B. A by B. Here you are seeing that when we divide any rational number by 1, then in quotient the same rational number will be. Okay? And now and fifth, property of reciprocal of a rational number. Okay? Property of reciprocal of a rational number. In this property you have to know that when we divide any rational number by the same rational number, then result always comes as 1. When we divide any rational number by the same rational number, then result always comes as 1. Example, suppose there is a rational number 2 by 3, okay, and we are dividing 2 by 3 by 2 by 3. Rational number is 2 by 3 and we are dividing 2 by 3 by the same rational number 2 by 3. Then 2 by 3 into 3 by 2 will be, and 2 cancel and 3 also cancel. Then the result will be 1. Okay, here second example. Suppose rational number is A by B and we are dividing A by B by the same rational number A by B. Then A by B into B by A. A and A cancel, B and B cancel. Then the result will be 1. So we are seeing that when we divide rational number by the same rational number, then always result will be, quotient will be 1. Okay, I think you have understood everything and there will be no, I hope there will be no doubt, and if there is any doubt then you write in comment box, and if you like, then you like, share and subscribe. Okay.